Dear students, coming to the quality number 14, that is courage. Now, in courage, in army, remember one thing very importantly, courage is a quality where we try to couple it with wisdom. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आप जोश दिखाएं, हिम्मत दिखाएं, पर होश के साथ दिखाएं, विजडम के साथ दिखाएं. ये नहीं कि बस जोश ही जोश. बैल नहीं चाहिए. We don't want bulls. We don't want bulls. We want intelligent people. So when you show courage, you should show good planning, good organizing, good calculations, and you're going to do very well in the courage. So the moment you do that courage part, you're going to do brilliant. You're going to work it up. You're going to work up very well. Now what do you do in this? What kind of story will show that you appreciate? Now there are so many times when you have shown courage. When you have participated in certain activities, you've gone for mountain trekking or you must have done things. Now that activity itself talks about courage. If you say that you have participated, if you have done also, then it will talk about your courage. If not, if you ever did, those adventure sports in your school where you did wall climbing and anything, and you want to talk about that activity, it will again confirm courage. If you want to write a story of an officer, I'm sure you're going to the armed forces, आर्मी का ऑफिसर, एयरफोर्स का ऑफिसर, नेवी का ऑफिसर की कोई स्टोरी या अपने पापा मम्मी इफ दे आर वर्किंग इन द फोर्सेस, उन लोगों को देख के आप लोगों ने कोई स्टोरी देखी जिसमें आपने को उनकी बहादुरी शानदार लगी, जानदार लगी, जिससे आप इंस्पायर हुए. यू वांट टू राइट दैट स्टोरी, प्लीज डू इट. Alpha was an army officer's son. He wrote a story about his father's bravery when he got an award. And he was inspired, so he wrote it down. And the picture matched. They were showing an army officer, they wrote down his story. The soldier entries, they have their unit, they have learned from different places. They have participated in different operations. उनके पास बहुत स्टोरीज होती है करेज की. चार्ली डेल्टा ने तो लिखी है कई स्टोरीज. उन्होंने दो स्टोरीज में करेज, कॉपरेशन, इनिशिएटिव, प्लानिंग सब कुछ घुसेड़ दिया. वो घुसेड़ा नहीं है, उन्होंने तो स्टोरी लिखी थी, पर हमें दिख रही है वो सब क्वालिटीज खुल के. एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम देम. दे हैव नॉट पर्पसफुली रिटन. इट कैन बी रेड दैट दे हैव दीज क्वालिटीज एंड दे अप्रिशिएट दीज क्वालिटीज. So when you appreciate something, you will talk about it. When you will not appreciate, what will you say? Please don't talk about that person. उसके बारे में मुझसे मत बात करो. But when you like a person, you like to talk about that person. Same thing, अगर quality आपको पसंद है तो आप उसके बारे में बात करोगे, उसके हिस्से की तरह बात करोगे. You love shopping, you will talk about shopping. You love cricket, you will talk about cricket. You love basketball, you talk about basketball. But if you like these qualities, you like of it. If you like an army officer's leadership, wonderful, you go ahead with it. That is it. Clear, not clear? So what is very much important is, what you like, you will automatically appreciate. Is it clear? Just a second, let me tell this gentleman not to disturb. Okay, getting the point. Is it clear? So what is very much required? That you have to talk, then you have to talk. There is nothing wrong. And when you talk, it speaks volumes about your qualities. वो आपके बारे में बात करता है कि बहुत शानदार चीज है. यही चीज आपकी करेज में. अगर आपको कोई ऑफिसर की कोई स्टोरी, एनी हीरो स्टोरी विच इज इंस्पायर्ड यू, दैट कैन बी even a police officer, or it can be even you who caught a thief, or it can be even you who came forward in some kind of situations. फायर सेविंग के टाइम पे करेज दिखाते हो, वो भी है. कई बार घर में ही गैस सिलेंडर में आग लग जाती है, तो आप कितनी बहादुरी से सिलेंडर को टाइमली फुका के बाहर करते हो, ये भी तो करेज है. सो देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ करेज फैक्टर्स. And all these stories will speak volume if you really have done it. Right? This is a stage to write. Write how you experience, write how you appreciate. And the moment you do that, you will automatically express that you love this quality. But you write a story where you tell somebody not to fight, go back to home, no courage. But if you write somewhere where he is doing the right thing, in the right manner, courage. Now that does not mean कि किसी को लड़ा रहे हो. दैट मीन्स कि खुद जरूरत पड़ने पे हिम्मत दिखा रहे हो. You're showing that courage, and that is very important. If in your story you show an earthquake, you go down and help people. या तुम्हारे हीरो ने किया, NDRF ऑफिशियल है, आपने वायनाड में देखा, आर्मी पीपल केम फॉरवर्ड एंड हेल्प द पीपल. यू अप्रिशिएट दैट. दैट मीन्स यू अप्रिशिएट करेज एंड यू विल फॉलो एंड यू विल टुमारो इम्यूलेट करेज. आप उसकी नकल करोगे, आप बहादुरी दिखाओगे. यू आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय परमवीर चक्र विनर्स. दैट मीन्स यू आर करेजियस. You're not inspired by Paramveer Chakra winners. That means you are not inspired. That you are a fearful person. So all these things do matter. Is it clear? मेरे ख्याल से स्टोरी समझ में आई. जिसमें एक बहादुर, ये आपने बहादुर नेवी कमांडर पे कहानी लिखी. That will be courage. And how he used his brain also as well as courage. So many stories are there. If you are serving personal son, you must have seen so many things. And if you are a soldier entry, you must have seen so many things. If you are day-to-day person, you must have seen so many times. There is a time when a snake has entered in a room. Others are afraid. You went out. And then you cornered him and killed him and got him out. Courage. So courage comes in different shapes and forms and figures. Is it clear? So I hope I have been able to send this message across. Hope you have been able to learn something out of this. And hope you will be able to use it in writing your stories. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.